Hey, I am Daniel, and this is the most complicated tutorial out here. Out here. Thank you so much.
Hey my friends, my name is Daniel BORJA and tutorial of to make a paper plane. First we must have a sheet. In this case I will use a notebook sheet. What we do will be to fold the notebook sheet in half. And we take one of the corners of the top and fold it toward the middle of the sheet. And we do the same with the other top end of the sheet. We continue to fold the sheet backward, that is diving the folds of the corners that we had folded. Then we bend the top of both sides down. And we can alright enjoy our little paper plane.
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke, gun smoke. Biggie smokes for mayor, the rock.